This How to 1 Minute will show you how to add WhatsApp chat button in Blogger website. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to do it. First of all, you have to download these codes and you will get this code download link in this video description below. Once you've downloaded this code, open this code and here you have to enter your WhatsApp mobile number with country code. And then copy this whole code from here and go to your Blogger dashboard and click on layout. So I want to add the WhatsApp chat button in my sidebar top. So I'm clicking on add a gadget. Select HTML JavaScript, giving title, and here pasting my code and save. Now I'm going to reloading my blog site. And as you can see, the WhatsApp chat button has been successfully added to my Blogger site. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.